Hello everyone, this is Midlife Music Teacher and I'm Mrs. G, and in this video I'm going to make some art. Let's take it from the top. So one of my goals for 2026 is to make more art. And there's a lot of reasons why I haven't been making art. Number one is time. I don't often have a lot of time to make art. So I've been telling myself I have to make time to make art. I like to do different kinds of art, sketching, painting, mixed media types of things. This was one of my first pieces of art that I made in high school, a sketch. And then in the early 90s, I was obsessed with Disney, specifically Little Mermaid. And so I made all these pictures with oil pastels, colored pencils, sketched with regular pencil, used watercolors. I'm not saying any of it was good, but this was my focus in the early 90s. In 2020, I decided I wanted to do more art. So I decided to do some painting with acrylics, and I made a few paintings before my focus became making videos for my students because of the 2020 shutdown. As I was thinking about how do I make time for art, and then what type of art should I make? What should I make? As I thought about it, I thought, you know what? I need to redo my intro. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to make some art to be my intro. So here we go. We're going to make some art for this intro. To be honest, I had no idea what I was going to do. I just decided, let me make some time and space in order to just paint something. And so I went on in, full in. Of course, I learned later from the artist in my family that you never use pure black paint, and I think that was part of my downfall in this project. I was starting to like the color scheme, but then I realized I just wanted it blended more, a little more orange in there, and I just kept blending and blending, and at one point I said, I just gotta accept it as it is. When I decided to make this my intro, this art project, I decided to make it a mixed media project. So here I am just cutting out different letters using the NAFME journals that come in the mail, as some of my viewers might recognize, and just cutting out the letters I need to spell my channel name. Here is the final project. I am not loving it, but I wanted to make some art and I just had to do it. Make the time, make the space, and just make art. I will feature the brand new intro in my next video. So please subscribe to my channel so you know when that video comes out. If you like this video, I know it was a little bit different, but please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.